In this video, I will be walking you through how to account for an inheritance coming into your client's plan. So the first thing I want to do is, with this client scenario, we have an expected inheritance coming to our client Louise next year, and we want to add it to our plan so that we can decide what we want to do with those funds. I'm going to go to the plus button here in the bottom right, and I'm going to go to income. Under income, you'll notice an option here called windfall, and here we have a type called inheritance. There's some other options here: gifts, gambling, other. In this example, we'll be using the inheritance. So we're going to name this inheritance. We're going to give it an amount, let's say $750,000, and we can enter that as a future value. I want it to come into the plan at $750,000, and then I want to go to my timing screen. I'm going to double click on the gray here in the second year of the plan, and I'm going to give this an icon and a name and set that as my start event. I am telling the software here that I want this $750,000 to come into the cash flow in the second year of the plan. We're going to click done. What we should see now as the dashboard is reloading is going to be a bigger spike in this second year, and that's going to reflect that $750,000 inflow. If we turn on the details, you can see in pink here that is listed under other income. And if you go to year view, move your slider bar to the second year, you can see the inheritance coming into the plan. What we need to do now, since surplus income is assumed spent, is that we need to tell the software what to do with these funds, because I don't want them to just go into the plan and disappear. So I'm going to use this general investment account that I already have in the plan, and I'm going to transfer those funds into that account. So to do that, I'm going to go to my plus button again and select transfers. I'm going to transfer from all surplus, and I'm going to transfer to that general investment account. I'm going to do all available, and I don't need it to be recurring because we're just doing a one-time transfer, and I'm going to say I want this surplus transfer to occur the year the inheritance comes into the plan. I'm going to click done, and what we should see now as the chart is reloading is that black line coming up over the pink, and that just denotes that we have this income allocated to something. So if we go to year view again and scroll over to our second year, we can see the inheritance coming into the plan. If we go to investments, we should see all that surplus going into this general investment account. If you click on it, you can also see that this is a planned transfer, a planned contribution into this investment account. I hope that that was helpful. If you have any questions, please do feel free to reach out to us. You can always click the name of your client in the top right, request support. That will send us a link to your plan so that we can take a look at it and answer any questions you might have. Thanks for listening.